Hello friends, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, we're gonna learn about VWAP or Volume Weighted Average Price.
But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. As you can see, I've already made videos on candlesticks, candlestick patterns, moving averages, relative strength, and I'm currently editing a video on RSI, so that'll be out soon. And I'll be making even more trading related content on my channel, so please subscribe. This video is about the basics of VWAP meant for beginners. So I'll be showing you what this indicator is and how we can use it on stock charts. But if you want me to make a video on strategies using VWAP, such as VWAP bounce, etc., then please let me know in the comment section below. VWAP or volume weighted average price is an intraday indicator, so it's meant for intraday only and not for daily charts, weekly charts, etc. And it's used by institutional traders as well as retail traders to find the average price the stock has traded throughout the day and to determine the intraday trend. Just to clarify, retail traders are individual traders who trade with their own money, and institutional traders are traders who trade using the money of the organization. To find the VWAP, add the amount traded for every transaction made and divide it by the total number of shares traded. If you don't understand this, don't worry, as this is not needed to use VWAP. Just remember that it uses volume and price to give the average price. As we learned before, institutional traders and retail traders use VWAP, but they use VWAP for different reasons. Institutional traders use VWAP to help move in or out of a stock with little market impact. They try to buy below the VWAP and sell above it, so their actions push the price closer to the VWAP than away from it. To understand this, we need to understand that when you buy a share, the share price is going to increase, and when you sell a share, the share price is going to decrease. Institutional traders buy or sell huge number of shares, therefore their actions are clearly reflected on the share price. When the price is closer to the VWAP, more people are going to trade it, and therefore it's easier for institutional traders to move in or out of a stock. Retail traders use VWAP to confirm the trend. So if the price is above the VWAP, it means that the price is in an intraday uptrend, so it's a signal to buy. And if the price is under the VWAP, it means that the price is in an intraday downtrend, so it's a signal to sell. Let's take a look at stock charts to understand this further. This is Microsoft's 5-minute chart. You can use any time frame for VWAP as long as it's an intraday time frame. If you see here, the price broke VWAP and then took VWAP as a support for it to go higher, but then it didn't manage to and then broke down back below the VWAP. VWAP has also acted as a support for the price over here, etc. So this shows that VWAP acts as support and resistance. Another thing to be noted is that VWAP resets every single trading day, and this is the reason why VWAP is an intraday indicator. This is Hinako's 15-minute chart. When the market opened, the share price broke the VWAP and ended up retracing back to it, as you can see here. But it had difficulty breaking below the VWAP, as you can see here, due to the long lower wicks. After that, as you can see, the price went in an extremely bullish uptrend, and you can at least capture a bit of that using VWAP. Take a look over here. As you can see, the VWAP line was closer to the previous high, which was broken at the opening today. So the previous high was in between these zones, and then the price retraced back to the previous high. Therefore, people who trade the VWAP and people who trade using breakouts are gonna get into this stock over here, making it even more powerful. This is Carnival's 3-minute chart. As you can see, the price opened above the VWAP and then retraced back to it, and it had difficulty breaking below the VWAP because of the long lower wicks. And if you were to take a trade either here or over here, your stop loss being right below here, then look at how the price increased. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content that I'm sharing and want more trading related content from me, then please subscribe.